And here we observe the ancient and frankly baffling ritual of the free trace decoration. With the grace of a bomb disposal expert, the locals attempt to appease the great spiky floor god. They believe a few well-placed petals will prevent the machine from, and I quote, throwing a tantrum and eating someone's flip-flop. But wait, a rare sight. This brave soul has chosen the tactical t-shirt helmet. While it offers zero protection and severely limits his vision, he believes it makes him invincible to rock grain attacks. Behold, the world's most aggressive welcome mat is ready. Let the separation and the mild peril begin. And here we have a critical moment. Bomb technician Kowalski has identified the primary trigger mechanism. Observe the meticulous footwork. Every step is a calculated risk. A single misstep could be electrifying. Aggressive display of dominance directed at the device is letting it know who is in charge. The confidence is staggering. Mission accomplished. The device has been neutralized through the power of pure, unadulterated funk. And the operation is live. Witness the human conveyor belt and thereof the human tracing machine interface protocol is now active. Observe the flawless synchronized petty passing precision. It's a high-stakes relay race where the baton is right plain meta. The stakes a sudden and dramatic shutdown of the entire operation. The key player, the feeder, facing the defending maw of the beast. A true picture of courage and coordination. One false move and it's snack time for the machine guards. The grain flows like liquid sunshine. But from the main event, we turn to the sideshow, the machine's regurgitation, a blizzard of wasted potential, and it seems my peaceful observation post has been co-opted. Yes, I too have been enlisted in the Great Chap Patrol, a humble, itchy, but noble duty. I'm now one with the Dust Bunny. So from the glamorous world of broadcast journalism to sifting for treasure in the resic pile, it's a dirty job, but someone's gotta do it. Hee hee.